Hey guys, let me show you how to make egusi soup without frying it. Yes, and it's so delicious. So first we're going to be cooking our meat with some onions, cayenne pepper, Cameroon pepper, some salt and some seasoning cubes. I almost forgot my stockfish fillet. Add that and let that cook till the meat is tender. We're going to be using some of the stock and some blended onions to make a paste from our egusi powder. Now add your pepper mix, palm oil and crayfish to your meat and let this cook for a while. This is your soup base. Now make your egusi paste into balls and add to your soup base. You're going to let this cook for a while before you add some water. You're going to gently mix this, add your dried fish and your bitter leaves. You want this to be a bit bitter, and add your smoked fish after you've adjusted your seasoning. You're going to let this cook for some time till the egusi is properly cooked. At this point your soup is ready. You can loosen this up with a bit of water, but your soup is ready to be eaten with any swallow of your choice. So tell me,